Let's make tonjiru. Before we begin, you can find the list of ingredients in the description. Cut the pork belly slices in half. Then set them aside while you prep the veggies. I'm starting with my onion, and you want to just slice them up into small pieces of about 5 centimeters big. Then add them to the same bowl as your sliced pork belly. Next, I'm cutting up my Japanese radish. You'll want to just slice them up, then stack them up and quarter them. Each radish piece should look like this. Continue slicing the whole radish and set them aside. Now I'm moving on to my carrot. For this, we will be slicing them into rounds first, then stack them up and cut them in half. Each piece of carrot should look like this. Finish prepping the carrots and set aside. Now we can prep our burdock root. Using the back of the knife, scrape off the outer skin of the burdock root. Once you're done, you can give it a quick rinse before cutting. This is how you can get burdock slices. Kind of like sharpening a pencil the old school way. Then we'll rinse them up 2 to 3 times until the water is clear. Now let's get cooking. Add a splash of sesame oil followed by the onions and pork. I'm just using a pair of chopsticks to separate the pork, and you want to make sure that the pork is cooked, so just keep them moving around until they're no longer pink. Once done, you can add in the other ingredients, starting with the carrots and radish. Fry them until they've softened, then we can add our dashi stock, followed by our burdock root. Let the soup simmer, then scoop out any scum. Then add some ginger paste for extra flavor. Give it a quick stir, then scoop out a small bowl of soup which we will use to dissolve the miso paste. We can then add this dissolved miso paste back into the pot of soup. Give it another quick stir, then add in some yuzu paste. Do not boil the soup after adding miso as it will cause the soup to lose flavor. And we're done. Hope you enjoy your hot bowl of soup.